Are you helping yourself or you're expecting someone to help you? Are you identifying your flaws, your weaknesses, or you're expecting someone to show you that this is what it is, this is what you go to work? Remember this: the people, the someone that you're waiting or you're asking to help you, guess what? They have not ever helped themselves. They do not know how to identify, because your flaws are your flaws, that you need to take the chance, you need to take in charge of your flaws and negativity and work on it, because only when you work on something that you are not good at, you will become good at it, and you will show the result to the world that they are not satisfied with. And listen, what we never told how to look into ourselves. We never learned in the schools or colleges that how we can be a perfect person. Till now, we know the perfect person means when we look at other people, their beauty, their height, their look, their income, their money, their assets, or their position. That is what we think that the perfect person. But guess what? You are the perfect in yourself, because you are unique. There are billions of people already died who were not like you, and there are 8 billion people approximately living on the planet Earth right now, and nobody has the unique retina that you have, nobody has the fingerprint that you have. So what is that you are looking at? You are unique already. If you are watching this video holding a smartphone or looking at your computer or a laptop, you are already blessed and you have everything that you have wanted. Now stop thinking about what you don't have. Look for what you want. Think about what you want, and stop looking at the negativity, pulling yourself down, comparing with other self. Forget about that, because people will show you what you wanted to see. You have never seen the reality of the people. So stop comparing yourself and walk on your own path, on your own speed. Lion goes with its own speed, and a gazelle, a deer, goes its own speed. So now they have different purpose. Someone wants to live and someone wants to eat. So do not compare yourself if you are at your different destination, because everyone has their own path to walk. You born differently, you will walk differently, you will do a difference, and you will win for sure. If I ask you, what is that Adidas stands for? What is that Nike stands for? Nike stands for just do it. What is that Coca-Cola says? Thanda matlab Coca-Cola. What is that thumbs up says? डर के आगे जीत है. What is that you stand for? What people think about you when they look at you? What people want, what you want people to remember you for? Let's work on that. Do not start looking and crying for the small thing of you do not get incentive, your salary is cut, someone has said something, you are about to lose the job. Stop. It is not the only one that you have. There are so many people are going through the same problem. So now start focusing on what is that you're good at, how you can be a better person, and how you can add value to the people around you. And this is what the beauty in this life, and this is what going to give you most what you ever wanted. Thank you very much. This is Suman Pachigola on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. Do join in my mission and let's change lives. Take care and God bless, guys.